Okay, let's make some copper art for our plants. So I recently learned from TikTok that copper helps plants thrive and is really beneficial for them. So I created copper plant art while also helping the health of my plants. And this is for propagations, indoor plants, and in my garden. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make these while also talking about the benefits and the sciencey things as well. I also learned that dark glass makes the roots grow faster. Just a quick tip. Okay, so benefits of copper for propagations is that the copper cleans the water. It's antimicrobial, which helps prevent the growth of harmful fungi or bacteria. You can also put old pennies and just throw those in the water. But the copper art allows you to guide the plant and give it some support. It's also just more aesthetically pleasing and a fun DIY, which is crucial in my opinion. Okay, so copper in your garden is going to stimulate and enhance the soil and the growth of plants. It makes your soil stronger. It actually makes your vegetables more vibrant and flavorful. You can also put a ring around your plants to deter snails, which are super annoying. Another great thing about copper is it's durable and weather resistant, so these will last for years. Also, you're going to want to make sure you get real copper. I got mine on Amazon, but you can also get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. Just make sure it's real copper and not the fake shit. But yeah, basically copper is required for many enzymatic activities in plants and chlorophyll and seed production. There you go. It also gives your garden a special touch. Okay, wait, I also wanted to share, I did this with the crystal. I don't know if it's going to do anything, but we're going to see. So it looks really pretty. And it was easy to do. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions or if you have any other ideas I should do. But I hope this was helpful and I can't wait to see what you guys make and follow for updates. Okay, ciao.